Hello crochet fans! This is a tutorial on how to make a hat. Here is the hat modelled by the lovely Alana. If you would like to make this hat, keep watching. There's a full video tutorial. There's also a free Ravelry download, the link's in the description box. And if you're on Instagram, there's a hashtag Cassius hat. Yeah, hope to see your make soon. So to make the baby size hat, you will need a 4mm hook and 2 different DK weight yarns. To crochet the toddler hat, you will need a 5mm hook and 1 chunky weight yarn and 1 Aran weight yarn.